Hi, it's Lisa at Cultured Expressions, and I finally retired my Bogolan Clutch wallet. I literally made this in 2015. I've been using it for 8 years straight, and I've just loved it. But as you can see, I kind of loved it a little too much. I mean, it's actually literally threadbare, and she just needs to be retired. So I made a new one. I'm just going to show you the back. And the reason it really got beat up is because it lives in another tote bag all the time, and all that abrasion and everything isn't really good. But for 8 years, I mean, it's really not so bad, right? I did notice when I opened the front pocket how much the fabric faded. That's the original coloring, and now you see it's changed a lot. So just kind of, over the years, as we all do, kind of faded a little bit. I am impressed with my stitching. I'm very impressed that my stitching held up where I sewed the metal frame to the fabric. I mean, I've never had a problem with that. So I'm pretty impressed with that, if I say so myself. But what I did was, just in time for my Ghana trip, made a brand new one. This one is patchwork. I opted not to do the outside pocket, but I just kind of made it otherwise all the same. On the inside, I've got my credit card slots and all that other fun stuff. And it was road tested in Ghana, worked out beautifully. I'm very happy with it. So we'll see how long this one lasts. I don't know. But yeah, I got 8 years out of the first one. Of course, I still can't throw it out. I'm going to just kind of keep it for old time's sake. But yeah, she's an old friend. But, time to retire and try something new. So that's it. Also, I am teaching this class at at our SewJourn retreat coming up in June. It's June 13th through 16th. Outside of Philly. It's at a place called Bluebell, Pennsylvania, at Normandy Farm. And this is one of 3 classes you can take. Now, even if you don't join us for the whole retreat, you can actually just sign up for the classes themselves, which will be held on Wednesday. I'm teaching this class, the Clutch, and we have classes by Carol Lyles Shaw and Wendy Kendrick. So check out the website at culturedexpressions.com under classes. And whether you can join us for the full retreat or not, you can still take part in the classes. So check them out, and we hope to see you soon. Thanks.